What's the meaning of Bill Tilden? Bill Tilden. Bill Tilden.
Bill Tilden. Bill Tilden. Bill Tilden was a prominent American tennis player in the 1920s and early 1930s. He is widely considered one of the greatest male tennis players of all time, with numerous Grand Slam titles and an impressive record on both hard and grass courts. Tilden's style of play emphasized finesse and strategy over power, and his success helped to popularize tennis in the United States during his era. However, Tilden's legacy has been somewhat overshadowed by personal controversies, including his conviction on charges of homosexuality in the late 1940s. Despite these issues, his impact on the sport of tennis remains significant and enduring.